Yes guys, it's Hen here again and welcome to another video. Well, this is a separate and a different kind of video because we have got an unboxing to be done here. If you're new to this is Smart Direct, way cheaper alternative for you to get your teeth all sorted out, and it's a shorter period of time. As you can see right here, my teeth is just, it's not in the best shape, and this channel, I'm always looking to improve in everything. Of course, finances, you want to improve your attitude, your psychologically, socially, in every aspect of your life, you want to improve. And what other better thing than to get a beautiful, nice smile? And yeah, so I think it was on my birthday dinner with my lady, and I was speaking to her. I was like, I want to get me braces, and she was like, no, why don't you get clear aligners? Because two things about clear aligners is the convenience of you just putting it in and out. And another thing again is I am always traveling, and I don't want braces where it gets to the point where my teeth, the strings start pushing on my teeth and my gum, and I'm traveling, I'm in another state or another city, and I have to come back home to come see the orthodontist, which it's just a lot of hassle. So the whole package is about $1,875 if you pay in full. However, if you don't pay in full, I think you pay $250 down and $88 a month. Ooh, that's a massive knife. Easy now, mate. Easy. Ooh, on the box is looking quite alright. Oh wow, that is. It's got like Smart Directs and stuff in it. Take this out and box. Look at that packaging. It's amazing. All right. We're gonna open this up. Oh wow, that looks really good. What is right here? It's probably some paperwork. Of course, more lip balm. Okay, I think this is like where you place your eyeliner. Maybe you're brushing your teeth or something you're about to eat. Got some more whitening kit right there. Some Chewies eyeliner tray, and I think this is what you use, like popping it out of your gum. See what that is in here, and you can take like a karate chop. Okay. This is a bad boy right here. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, you can't take everything. It's like a drawer. You have to draw it out. Custom made by an orthodontist. It's got my name and all my stuff. So mine is 8 months and not 6 months. So, which isn't bad because this is January, so you're saying by like September I should go like a very beautiful smile. So this is year 1, or this is week 1. So today is Monday, so it's perfect for me to put them on tonight. Then next Monday, put the next one on. These are the aligners, and I think the rest of it is just there. The thing again with this is I can take this, I can take like just maybe 2 or 3 if I'm gone for like 2 or 3 weeks with me, rather than having to come back home to see the dentist or the orthodontist every single time. Before photo, I need to take that. I think that's the only way you can keep your warranty, is you have to keep sending them pictures. Maybe something doesn't go quite right, they can fix it. But so this one is for 1 week. Second set is for 1 week, then the last set is for 2 weeks. It says don't brush your eyeliner, so like toothpaste or your toothbrush, just warm water and gentle liquid soap. What about minor pain? It's perfectly normal. So I'm gonna have some pain, a little bit of lisp. Sometimes it wouldn't fit perfectly, so what I did was I put it in, then the next thing that happened was I had to put this also in my teeth. I chew on it and then it just pops right in perfectly. This is absolutely mental. I've got a bloody lisp, man, and it's definitely gonna hurt tomorrow. I can tell it's so bloody tight. Thank you so much for watching. Leave the video a like, of course, comment, and yeah, smash that like button, and also subscribe. Do your thing, innit? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out with my lisp, and peace out from my lisp. I started this video with no lisp, yeah? Now I've got a lisp. That is mental.